अगर आपने हमारे YouTube चैनल को अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आपको यहाँ सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है, इस पर आप क्लिक कीजिए और हमें सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। और साथ ही साथ इसके सामने एक नोटिफिकेशन बेल आ रहा है, इसे भी आप इनेबल कर दीजिए ताकि आपको तुरंत नोटिफिकेशन मिले जब भी हम कोई नई वीडियो अपलोड करें।
Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Programming data structures and algorithms using Python. Week 1 quiz solution. Last date of submission is 18 August 2021. Let's start. What is the value of G7 to 8 for the function below? Here is the code and the answer is 5. Question number 1, answer is 5. Question number 2. What is F90 minus F89 given the definition of F below? Here is the code. Question number 2. It's also 5. Question number 2 answer is 5. Question number 3. Consider the following function h. Here is the code. The function given above returns false for a positive number n if and only if, and the answer is n is perfect square. N is a perfect square. Option number C. Question number 3 answer is option number C. N is a perfect square. Question number 4. Consider the following function fpp. Then this is the code. Which of the following is correct? And the answer is option number D. The function terminates for non-negative n with f of n equal to n into n plus 2 by 2. Thank you for watching week 1 assignment number 1.